This channel right over here brings in $71,000 per year in revenue, and I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly how they're accomplishing this without filming films, editing videos, or even displaying their faces to the audience in the slightest. If we go to support.google.com, you will see that revenue sharing for short ads is being offered, which means that YouTube will begin paying out creators of shorts. YouTube is now generating advertising money, which only began the YouTube Shorts while ago. Thus, all of the TikTok makers and all of the Instagram Reels creators are going to migrate to YouTube. I'm going to walk you through step by step the process of earning more than $20,000 per month from YouTube clips without having to film videos, edit videos, or even show your face in the videos. In point of fact, I'm going to show you the hidden market niche that pays people like you money for uploading short videos to YouTube that aren't even your own creation. So let's not waste any more time and get right down to discussing how I discovered this method. It may seem like a lot, but there are hundreds of billions of videos on YouTube, so we are still very early to the game. If you scroll down, all I did was search for faceless shorts videos, so as you can see, there are some popping up. You may find a gaming vlog and much more. First, I went to #shorts on YouTube, so I simply searched for #shorts, as you can see right there, and it brought up the shorts shelf. The short I had to browse all the way down before I discovered the precise niche that I was looking for, and that was how I found it. If you come over to this website and search for the #shorts plus funny TikToks, what you are going to find is that you are going to see these films that are receiving millions of views, such as something with 5 million views and almost 20 million views, and even 200 million views. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to replicate them in a way that circumvents any copyright restrictions. So, here is the plan for the next step. I'm going to start out by demonstrating this channel. This channel right over there called Shelly has 439,000 followers, and they have a video called Memes I found on TikTok Part 12 on their channel. They're consistently getting 52 million, 30 million, 10 million, 4 million, 6 million. And if we take a look at socialblade.com, which is a good website to find out how much these channels are earning. Right, it says that they're earning about $71,000 per year, right? And so it's like a series and basically it got 52 million views. Okay, so very easy. And basically this channel, that's all they do is upload different TikTok funny compilation videos like these. Part 13, Part 14, Part 15. We're going to get to type right here that's going to be named Funny Clips 17382. So if you need to pause the video, do it and write it down, and make sure to check out this specific page on the TikTok website. A great number of viral films that are not their own. Rather, they are simply re-uploading several funny TikTok videos taken from other accounts and sort of mashing them all together. You're going to start by looking for some of the most popular videos such as this one, which has 1 million views, this one which has 3 million views and so on, up to 200,000 views and 20 million. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on that video over here, and that will lead us to this location. It's quite funny, so let me tell you what we're going to do. Okay? Next, we are going to go ahead and press the share button and copy the link. This is the first step. Then, we are going to come over to this software right over here. Okay, the software in the left-hand corner. We are going to paste that link here and press the green button. That is going to take us here. Then we are going to press the blue button, and that will go ahead and upload that video to your folder on your computer. Once you've pressed this button, the video will be saved to your computer, and you'll be able to access it whenever you choose. Now that we have it, we can proceed to alter it in order to give it a distinctive appearance. Let's begin the process of modifying the video by going to the website Canva, which offers free services. You will be able to locate it in the description below. Now once you have successfully created your free account with Canva back to it, all you need to do is go up here on Templates, then click on Social Media, and then find the template that says YouTube Shorts. You can accomplish all of this on your mobile device by downloading the Canva app and using it. So at this point we have that video, and the wonderful thing about it is that it eliminates the watermark. If you look closely, you can see that there is a small watermark embedded in the video. This tool will erase the watermark, so we now have a video that does not contain the watermark, but before we can use it, we need to make it our own. So what we're going to do is press this button, then we're going to search for mobile video and create a blank mobile video, and then we're going to come here and drag and drop that video into Canva. And as you can see now, we can make it full size, full screen. And then what we're going to do is add some elements. Okay, we have to make it unique, so we're going to go here and add some lines and shapes. We're going to scroll down, Let's make that white by adjusting the color to cool. After that, let's go to text and add some text in there, so let's add a subheading. We'll make that black and it will be bold. Then we are going to remark how funny is this, with a question mark, and then we're going to drag it up here, and then we're going to add in more text, add another subheading, bring that down there, and then we're going to say, for example, rate this from 1 to 10, comments answer. After that, we are going to enlarge that portion of the document. Here you go, it is done, and boom. And what that is going to do is get people involved because they are going to watch the video now that it has some subtitling here. Someone is going to comment, and while they're commenting, this video is going to keep playing on loop. It's going to keep playing 2, 3, or even 4 times over. What that's going to do is bring the average view duration above 100, which means that you're going to be at like 200 or 300% because someone commented and the video kept playing over and over again, which caused it to go viral in the YouTube short shelf, because you need to have a view duration over 100 times. So how funny. You now have a video that has been shown to be viral because it was successful on another platform. Because we took it and made it our own, it has the potential to become quite popular on YouTube Shorts. So what we're going to do is press share, then we're going to download it to our computer, and then we're going to upload it onto our channel. So we're going to upload it here. And I called it a funny TikTok compilation #shorts, okay? And that's going to pull up that boom, and then we can go ahead and copy this and paste it in the description so that YouTube has that metadata, and then we're going to scroll down and add some tags. Okay, now let's type in some tags such as TikTok video, and then keep adding those keywords so funny like TikTok compilation, funny TikTok video, and whatever ones you want, and then fill up this box to the maximum of 500, and yes, you're done, it's that easy. Now, to make a YouTube short and share it on YouTube, you have to follow these simple steps. First of all, open up YouTube Shorts and look for viral funny TikToks. Secondly, open your TikTok and search for funny clips 17382. Thirdly, download the video you choose from TikTok. Fourthly, head to Canva and upload the video right there and edit your video to avoid copyrights. And lastly, share your video on YouTube Shorts and apply 500 tags, and here you go. Enjoy your views and money income you will be making. And surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below.